Today I'll share with you some free strategies to get paid online. They are worldwide available and pay you in PayPal Cash. If you're interested, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every step right. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me any question about this video. So with that said, I'm going to begin right away because I'm going to show you multiple sources that pay you in different ways. So just stay tuned to find how. And the very first source that I want to give you today is called Mistplay, and it's over at mistplay.com. But as you can see, they do offer an app on Google Play Store as well with more than 10 million of downloads and 4-star reviews from more than 200,000 of reviews. So you're going to check out the features here if you want to, or you can go over to their homepage here on their official website, and as you can see, this is the #1 loyalty program for mobile gamers. You can discover games that you like and you can earn rewards while playing them. So they recommend you games just for you, and you're going to play and collect some units, and you can redeem those units for some awesome rewards. The longer you play, the more money you can earn, of course. So if you scroll down, you're going to see that they offer you a personalized game library built just for you. You can find the game that you like and you can start playing it, and then you're going to redeem your units for awesome rewards like gift cards to Amazon, Visa, Google Play, PayPal Cash, and more. And they've given out more than $23 million to their members from all around the world. You're going to notice that you can enter for a chance to win also the grand prize because they offer you different contests in order to take part in. Also, you can unlock achievement badges when you can complete missions, and every badge that you can earn, it will give you more units that you can redeem for rewards. And they offer you the possibility to play with friends and make new ones, which is pretty awesome actually. And also you can check out the reviews of what people that are members of this platform have to say about it. But of course, you can even check out the reviews over at Google Play Store. So unfortunately, this is only available on Google Play Store, not on App Store. So if you are an iOS user, just keep watching because I have some other sources that you can use to make money online. And this was the first one that pays you by just playing games, which is very fun actually. I'm going to proceed to the second one, which pays you differently, just like I mentioned before, and it's called HoneyGain. This is over at honeygain.com, and this platform gives you the possibility to earn passive income effortlessly by just simply sharing your internet connection. It's easy as that. You can earn money in passive income and also without compromising your security, because they ensure you that the internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks or gains access to the storage of your device. You're going to know exactly what your internet is going to be used for, and you can even click here on learn more to see and read their privacy policy. But of course, you can even check out the reviews from Trustpilot. They got more than 7,000 of reviews with 4.5 stars out of 5, which is pretty excellent. And also, this is a verified company according to Trustpilot. So just come over here in order to learn and read some of the reviews. So if you scroll down, you're going to notice some other features. For example, your estimated earnings. This depends on the amount of traffic that you share, of course, and some other factors as well. As you can see, you can make up to $184 per month, which is pretty awesome because you just need to share your internet connection, and that's it. That's money in passive income, and you're going to earn some extra money for doing so. So the factors that influence how much money you can earn are your location, the number of IP addresses that your devices are connected to, and also the network speed. So there are 5 steps to HoneyGain. First of all, you're going to install it on your Windows, Android, macOS, Linux device, and you need to have a stable internet connection. After that, HoneyGain securely shares your internet connection by never getting access to your data, just like we mentioned before, and they use your internet connection to gather some bits of information which is also publicly available online. And this is going to help businesses because they use it for data and the web statistics, price comparison and so on, and you're going to get paid for that by receiving money and payouts in PayPal, Bitcoin and this other payment method. So PayPal is available for this platform. So you can just download it right away, go over to the download section so you can learn more information about it. I'm going to proceed right away to the third platform for today that pays you differently. This is over at Snapwire.co. This is a platform where some companies come over to just hire some photographers to just buy some photos from these photographers and so on. And as you can see, they collaborate with some well-known brands actually. So what you can do is to just go over to become a creator, because you can just share your photos and you're going to get paid whenever someone buys them. You can get hired by the biggest brands, as you can see, and you're going to get paid for that by just sharing your pictures, your photos that you have taken with your phone or your camera. Of course, you can be someone who has photography as a hobby that wants to share those photos and get paid, or someone that has photography as a career. So you can just make money with Snapwire.co. So I highly recommend that you give it a try. Just click on the apply now button over here, and then you're going to put your information. You're going to just sign up with your Google account, and then you can just even put your first name, last name, email address and password manually if you want to, and click on the sign up button so you're ready to get started. So I'm going to proceed right away to the fourth but also the final platform for today that pays you differently from this one, just like I mentioned before, and this is called Usertestin.com. So Usertestin, from the name, suggests that you're going to come here in order to test some products or websites or apps, because some website owners, brands and companies come over here in order to get their websites tested. So this platform hires people just like you that want to get paid to do that. So you can go over to the get paid to test section that you can find in the upper right corner, and then you're going to see that you can get paid to share your perspective with global brands. So you can earn extra money in your free time by helping these brands build better products and experiences for people around the world. And it works like this. First of all, you're going to apply by submitting your email address. You can also take a quick practice test so you can join their global network, and then you're going to answer some questions with so they can match you with some test opportunities. Then you're going to just do those tests and make money. You're going to get rewarded for different types of tests. So in order to get started, just put your email address over here. Then you need to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and click on get started, and you're ready to start with this platform. This was it for today's video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below by letting me know which one of these ways was your favorite one to make money online, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.